In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair an extremely damaged VHS tape. I mean, this thing isn't just a little damaged, it is trashed. Look at this. It has been melted somehow. I don't know how it got this way, where it was. It wasn't in a fire, there'd be scorch marks, I would think, but it is just trashed. A client sent me a box of these along with a severely melted 8mm tape and VHS C tapes. That is totally trashed as well. So this is going to be one of a 3-part series of my attempt to recover these lost memories. My name is Mark and welcome to my channel, The Media Nerd. Let's get started. Here are the tools that I need, that I think I need to fix this tape. So I have a new VHS tape to put everything into. I'm really hoping that the plastic spools aren't melted, that I'll be able to just transfer it right over. If not, then I'm going to have to take all the tape out and put it on new spools. I really hope that doesn't happen. I'm gonna first take these screws out so I can see what I have going on inside. I'm actually a little nervous about this video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it or not, but it's worth a try. Can't get that screw out. Okay. I'm just gonna have to start busting this apart. That's why I got the screwdriver. Wow. The tape doesn't look damaged at this point, but just to get this open is gonna be a trick. All screws are out. Okay. Oh, this is really what I was afraid of. Look at this plastic. This is trashed. I'm gonna have to take all this tape off of these spools and put it on this new one. So that means I gotta take all the tape off this first. So we're gonna set this aside. Let's get this open. I'm gonna hold on to these screws. These are our money screws. Remember, you gotta flip the case upside down like this so the parts don't come out. Slowly open it up. All right, everything stayed in place here, which is good. Pull this out. This went here. Okay, we're gonna set this aside as well. Now I have to just take all this tape out, and this is gonna take a little while to do. There we go. I'm gonna cut the leader so I can tape the tape onto this. There we go. So that would go here, and this is this side. I'm going to have to pull all of this out now. Thought I was almost there. There it is. Whew, like broke a sweat. Let's cut this side off. Now that I have all of the tape off of the new spool here, I have to slowly get all of the tape on this side and then crank it onto this side over here and put it in the new case. So I'm just going to take these out. I don't know any better way to do it. It's melted in. Wow. Okay. Now I just have to slowly reel it like this. It doesn't look like the tape is damaged though. I am almost at the end. There it is. I'm going to cut right here at the leader, just like that. Here's the new leader. I need to tape it. I think if you watched any of my other how to repair a VHS tape, this is how I do it. Put a little piece of tape on the counter like that. Press that down and overlap it. Make sure it lines up pretty good. I'm going to cut this end here, just like that. Another little piece of tape laid over top of this splice. Now, don't worry, this isn't going to hurt your VCR, this thick tape. This is a one-off deal. You're only going to try to transfer this tape once and play it through. So, let's cut it off the table. Trim so there's no sticky tape that gets in the mechanisms of the VCR. Now I have the fun job of winding this back like this to get to the end. So I can tape this one onto this side. It's going to take probably an hour. Okay, I think I came up with a hack. So I have this bit and I put a bunch of black tape around the end of it, and I'm gonna put it on my electric screwdriver like this. I turned the spools over. This should fit in here just like that. A little screwdriver that can just fit in the hole right there. So, oh, check that out. Now we're cooking. This is so much faster. It would have taken me over an hour to do this. There it is. We're at the end. Took a little doing, but it only took me about 5 minutes instead of an hour, hour and a half of doing it by hand. Done. I'm going to cut this off here, just like that. Get our tape. Okay. Perfect. Let's clean our splice. Okay, let's get this in its new home. Looks like that's the way. Get this side in first. We need to fish it through. It's always tricky. Okay. And this side is going to wrap around a little flap right there. Gotta hold that flap. Okay. All pieces are in. We're going to lay this back down. There. Let's flip it over. New home. Looks good. Okay, let's get it in the VCR and rewind it and see what happens. Client knows that there's no guarantees that I could fix this. Let's rewind. See what happens. Okay, it's rewinding. So we know that there is video because there is a counter going on right there. Let's stop and play and see what happens. Look at that. Look. I totally fixed it. I totally can't believe that I fixed this tape. It's unbelievable. Can't believe it. Here's all the old tape that I had to take out. And I came up with a new idea of how to, rewind the tape manually, which was really cool. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And the next couple of videos coming out over the next few weeks will be how to repair this 8mm tape that has been melted, and also how to repair this VHS-C tape that was melted as well. You have yourself a wonderful day. So excited, I can't believe I fixed it.